unboxing of the Gym Gang box. You got your controller right here with your buttons. Your little mini console. Looks really good. You open this up. You got your plug AC adapter. That's always important. You got your HDMI cable. And you got your connector for the controller. And you got your phone port for your thing. And an extra plug thing. So you get all that in one package. And I got emotional support animal thing right here. So that's a super box right there. And now, I know you're excited, Zelda. Look right here. Super Willie Wacker's excited too. See? She's excited. Here's Dig Dug. It looks so good. Those are the good graphics right there. The same as before as my last video. It's pretty cool. Then you got your Frogger. Thing lights up and it's real cool. Good designs. Good little touch buttons right there. And your joystick. Then added to that edition finally is Space Invaders. It looks so awesome. With your high scores and all that. Post more videos and likes. Post likes and comment. Post a like. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to do more videos on wherever I get through Amazon. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.